Alright guys, Matt from Just Wrench It here, and we have a package from Brad's Workbench. Well, I probably just showed my address to everyone. Oh well. Hold tight while I try not to kill myself holding a camera and cutting this box open. It's not working! I'm gonna die. Okay. Packaged well. Oh wow, it's bigger than I thought. I love these little things he sends with his stuff, handcrafted by Brad, made in Texas. Love that. It's oh god, I can smell it, like the fresh wood and I'm guessing stain or whatever. Oh, I'm like a kid on Christmas. I don't know if this is going to be right side up. No, it's not. And there we go, guys. This is custom made. I sent him an idea. I wanted my logo. I let him run with it. There's epoxy. Oh, hold on. Let me show you this. There's epoxy in here with like, I don't know if it's actually metal flake or what he used, but to give it that gray metallic kind of shiny look. And it does work in the light. And then all the letters, of course, are orange to match my logo. I had him put the YouTube logo in there. This just looks phenomenal. Guys, if you haven't got something made by Brad, get something made. Get your logo, whatever you guys can come up with. The work on this is phenomenal. I love the epoxy in here. I'm very pleased with it. Very happy. So check out Brad's Workbench. I will tag him in this post. Man, I'm so pleased with this. I can't say enough, guys. I'm really happy about this. I hope you guys like it. I know I do. Man, that epoxy work is just so cool. It just exceeds my expectations by far. So I just wanted to make a quick video for this and show you guys what Brad made for me. Thanks, guys.